What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Alright, today we are going to San Bernardino and we're gonna get the 2016 Silverado tuned finally. I don't know if you guys seen the last video I did with this. I'm pretty sure it was the E85 conversion. So all you need is three parts. It comes out to like about 90 bucks, pretty cheap, and you'll be able to run E85. The only thing you'll need is a tune, which is why we're gonna go get dyno tuned and see how it runs. Let's go. And the giveaway truck is looking really nice. It's going to be getting a drop pretty soon, but before that we're going to be installing those fog lights finally, because it's been lagging on it, guys, and I already have them. Has a button and everything. All right, but let's get a cold start of this truck. That was lagging. She's camera shy, guys, sorry. The tuner's name is POWERAMBITIONS. You guys can go check them out on Instagram. I'll leave their at right down here, POWERAMBITIONS, and they're located in San Bernardino, probably like 5 minutes away from the Orange Show, and that's where CTI is. So go check them out, guys. We're throwing some 91 in there real quick before we wrap the shop. Get that tuned. Alright, guys, we're here at POWERAMBITIONS. Can't really tell. So I met the owner. He's cool. So we're gonna do just a dyno tune on the truck. If any of you guys want his information, he's on Instagram. Like I said, I put his Instagram down there. I'll put it right here again for you guys. I'll probably also put his phone number. Give him a call. He does everything. Eco boosts, GMs. Hit him up, guys. Hit him up. Let's get it. Hopping on the dyno now. Sick ass banner. Some 91. Teneven. There's a rock in the tire. Man, this thing smells good. Imagine once I'm freaking running 85, that's gonna smell even better. Let's see how loud it is here. Explain the graph. So you have 255 to the wheels based on your horsepower numbers. 255 to the wheels, and you're at 336 torque to the wheels. Stock. All right. 100% stock. Now we're gonna start making adjustments. Oh yeah, let's do it. It is, guys. 30 horsepower gain, 9 torque gain. Let's go try it on the street. All right, guys, so right now we're pretty much at almost half a tank with 91. Right now we're gonna fill up the rest with E85 and see how it feels. The tuner did a great job, man. This truck is completely stock. All I've done is the 85 sensor, and it gained 30 horsepower to the wheels over stock. So hit them up, guys. All right, guys, check it out. Look at the price of E85, 185 compared to 307, which actual gasoline prices have been going down. So damn, 185. All right, let's fill it up. There it is, guys, half a gallon for 18 bucks. I mean half a gallon, half a tank for 18 bucks. All right, guys, so the truck definitely feels way better. It responds better, it pulls harder, it shifts faster. We also did the DOD delete, so no more of that annoying 4-cylinder coming in at lower speeds. So I actually feel like I'm actually saving more gas like that, because every time I let go of the gas, it's automatically at like 20-30 miles per gallon when I'm just cruising, you know. You ready? Shit. When before the tune, when it used to shift, it'd go up, the RPMs would go up, you'd feel this little lag, and then you'll hear that the pop when you shift. I know you guys know what I mean, because all these LT engines do that. But now you don't hear that pop, it just shifts right away and starts pulling. And yes, we are on E85 now, so I'm trying to see how it feels. Right now it's like I barely put it in last night, didn't really drive it much, so I'm trying to see how it feels. And also I'm on my way to the garage with gonna meet up with garage guy, because we're also gonna be ordering the cam for the Sierra. Yes, guys, we're gonna be camming the Sierra. So the next few videos you'll probably see, well, I don't know, depends how long the cam takes to get here, and with all this quarantine shit, who knows how long it's gonna take for us to get it cammed and everything. So just stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so once again, thanks to Power Ambitions for sponsoring the truck with a dyno tune. I know the truck's completely stock, but 30 horsepower over stock with just the dyno tune, with no modifications and just E85 flex fuel. That's really good. Sorry about the wind, might be a little bit, you guys might hear the wind a little bit, but hopefully it's not too loud. If you guys need a dyno tune, hit up my boy over there at Power Ambitions. His Instagram at Power Ambitions, and he's located out in San Bernardino, so hit him up, guys. I'll also put his phone number down so you guys can check it out. I wish I was able to show you guys a few more pulls of the truck, but haven't really been going out much because of everything that's going on, the coronavirus and all that, and me having a newborn, my sister having a newborn in here. I don't really want to bring something into the house that we don't need, you know. But that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna just be slapping on a decal of Power Ambitions to represent them, because this truck is sponsored by them. And now feeling how much this truck pulls with just a stock tune and everything, I think we're gonna be doing more performance parts later on in the future, starting with full bolt-ons, you know, headers, intake, all that good stuff right there that is easy to install and everything. And Power Ambitions will be doing all the work to this truck. And as you guys saw, the cam kit for the Sierra is officially ordered. That's all I can say. There's more to it, and I can't really tell you guys the cam because it's a custom cam, but you guys will see everything pretty soon. And as for the truck giveaway, it's gonna get delayed a little bit because can't really travel, like I said, with all the coronavirus and everything going on. Not really able to travel, so probably get delayed for another month, but that just gives you guys more time to get your entries in. So let's get this thing installed. All right, can you guys see at that angle? All right, we're just gonna wet a little bit right here, clean it off. We're gonna, you know. All right, fast forward. Alright guys, if you have any questions,
look at this dude.
Alright guys, if you have any questions, hit me up. I always reply to everybody that hits me up on Instagram or even Snapchat, so, or in my emails as well. If you guys are in the area, need any videos done, we can schedule something later on once all this madness is done with. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more because like I said, now that I've seen what power this thing could do stock, I want to start doing some performance mods to it. But I still don't know if I want to lift the truck or lower the truck, because I don't know guys, we'll see. But catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to enter on the giveaway for the NBS Silverado. Even though it's delayed, you guys can still get a lot of entries in, so get some in guys, and nobody loses. At the end of the day, you're gonna get some merch, so check it out guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. TCB.
Jesus Christ. Hell yeah. Alright, let's go. I suck at that, bro. But hey, for you guys.